So finally, after many years, oh, I need to improve on my eye contact. Finally, after many years, I was able to move into a house about 10 years ago. And there I was in the garage chilling, laying back, looking up. The garage is peculiar because it has this high ceiling triangular thing that just goes, it's right up against the house. And I thought, you know what, right up at that part of the house on the second floor is a bathroom, and it is not shaped in a triangular shape. I think there's a triangular room sealed off in the attic. So I got a ladder, I went up there and carefully investigated this matter, and guess what? There's a secret room upstairs next to the bathroom, next to the garage. So I created an entryway to that area. It just had like some air conditioning ducts and a couple electrical wires. Big old empty space. But it's kind of spooky, honestly, finding a secret room in your house. So I thought, why not make it even spookier? So as I was kind of sprucing it up, I turned it into a storage room, because why have a room that you don't use? So I put like annual things in there, but I decided instead of making it all beautiful and proper, it's spooky, right? Let's paint the room red and then put mysterious carvings and writings on the wall, like somebody has been living in there. I like sometimes when I can't understand what's happening, and when I go upstairs, I don't understand what's happening. Well, I could find all my stuff, but I wonder who lived there. What I noticed is this room got super hot. Right beyond this wood is the actual roof of the house with the asphalt shingles, direct sunlight. It made this whole room extremely hot. So bring in the insulation. But before I measured it, got the right kind and put it in, you gotta actually put like a 1-inch space between the ceiling here and your insulation. There's this sort of plastic sheeting thing that allows air to breathe between that surface and your insulation. Look, here's one now. See that? So it creates a little channel for air to go from the bottom, and it goes all the way to the ridge of your house. If the roof gets way too hot, it shortens the lifespan of those asphalt shingles outside. Also, it will retain moisture and other such boring, important topics. And also, you're going to have a throwback to the COVID-19 era and put on your mask. You know, the 5 cases you still have. All right, I feel now that we're in this together. Yeah. How many one-liners do you remember? Look, this insulation comes with this lip. This lip actually will get stapled onto the wood. And you know what the most difficult part of this whole project is? It's hot, it's sweaty, it's awkward. You gotta wear a mask, you gotta wear gloves. And then when you're finished, you've gone from the bottom all the way to the top. It's gonna look ugly, but you know what? You could always put some drywall or something over it and make it look more attractive. So this is yet another thing that you can do by yourself, or maybe with a buddy's help, because you don't really need to hire a company to operate a stapler and scissors for you. So don't be intimidated by the unknown, because now you know how to install. That's what I'm talking about. And with the money I saved, I was able to purchase this spooky mannequin looking girl and install this light bulb and a boombox that plays a song, and a little wind machine. So when you turn on the lights in the garage, she awakens and she's looking down on you. And there's nothing quite like being in a room and realizing someone from the afterlife is looking down on you. It's invigorating.